You want to invest, but don't know where to start. Maybe you're afraid it's too complicated or that you need thousands of dollars. Here's the truth. You can start investing today with just $5. Let me show you how. Step 1. Choose the right app. You need a safe and easy place to invest. In the US, the most popular beginner apps are Robinhood. It's simple and clean. Fidelity, very trusted and beginner-friendly. Vanguard, amazing for long-term investing. All of them let you start with just $1, no big money required. Download the app, create an account, and connect your bank. That's your first step. Step 2. Understand what you're buying. You're not just buying stocks. You're becoming a part owner of a real business. That might sound scary, but it's easier than you think. You don't need to guess what stock will explode. You can invest in an index fund, like the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the US. It's like buying a tiny piece of Apple, Google, Amazon, and more, all at once. Step 3. Invest your first $5. Inside your app, search for S&P 500 ETF. Look for tickers like VOO or SPI. Click Buy. Enter a $5. Confirm. Done. That's it. You're officially an investor. You can even set it to invest $5 every week automatically. Why? Because the habit is more important than the amount. Step 4. What not to do. Don't chase hype. Don't bet on random coins, meme stocks, or TikTok tips. You don't need to be flashy. You need to be consistent. Boring is beautiful. Boring builds real wealth. Step 5. Build the habit. $5 a week is $260 a year. In 10 years, that's $2,600. With compound interest, it could grow to $4,000 or even more. It's not about getting rich fast. It's about getting rich slow, but for sure. Final step. Start now. You don't need to be a millionaire. You just need to take the first step. Start with a $5. Stay consistent and watch what happens. Subscribe to Wealth Seeds and let us guide you step by step to your financial freedom.